Good morning everyone. I'm Prince Charles Iso Fernandez. For now we're going to count 1 to 100 using Hangul or Korean language. Let's start now. So we going to start 1 to 10. Okay? 1. Hana, Dul, Set, Net, Dauset, Yoset, Ilgub, Yojul, and Ahub, and Yehul. So that is 1 to 10. So next, we're going to 11 to 20. So next is 11 to 20. Yehulhana, Yeldul, Yehuset, Yelnet, Yehudauset, Yehul Yeswet, Yehul Ilgub, Yehul Yejul, Yehul Ahub, and Simul. So next is 21 to 30. Simulhana, Simuldul, Simulsit, Simulnet, Simuldauset, Simulyuset, Simul Ilgub, Simul Yijul, and Simul Ahop. At 30, Seirum. So next is 31 to 40. Seirunhana, Seryundul, Seryunset, Seryunnet, Seryundauset, Seryunyuset, Seryun Ilgub, Seryun Yijul, Seryun Ahop, Manhan. So next is 41 to 50. Manhunhana, Manhundul, Manhunsit, Manhunnet, Manhundauset, Mahunyoset, Mahun Ilgub, Mahun Yijul, Mahun Ahop, and Swen. So next is 51 to 60. Swinhana, Swindul, Swinnet, Swindauset, Swinyoset, Swin Ilgub, Swin Yujul, Swin Ahop, and Sian. Next is 61 to 70. Yesun Hana, Yesun Dul, Yesun Set, Yesun Net, Yesun Dauset, Yesun Yusul, Yesun Igub, Yesun Yujul, and Yesun Ahop, Elham. Next is 71 to 80. Elihum Hana, Elium Dul, Elium Set, Elium Net, Elium Dauset, Elium Yuset, Elium Ilgub, Elium Hiljum, Elium Ahop, Yidian. So next is 81 to 90. Yedil Hana, Yeldudul, Yeldoset, Yeldulnet, Yeldo Dauset, Yeldo Yosat, Yeldo Ilgul, Yeldo Yujul, Yeldulhan Hop, and Hen. Next is 91 to 99. Anhanhana, Anduldul, Anhanset, Anhannet, Anyan Dauset, Anyan Yosat, Anyan Ilgub, Anyan Yojul, Anyan Ahop. So that's the Korean language or Korean 1, 2, 3 numbering.